Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I would like to show you how we can easily change the battery on this Mercedes key, which is available on relatively many Mercedes models. And first of all, we can of course check the condition of the current batteries by either pressing the lock button once or pressing the head compartment open button, and if this little light there in the front is still flashing, then the current battery is still in order, so we don't actually have to change it yet. However, to change the batteries, the first thing we do is take out the metal bowl by pulling this little lock there a bit to the side, and then we have a small white field on the electronic key and we have to push it in once. It's best not to do that with force, so it gives way a little, and as soon as we have pushed in a little, we can get this cap out at the top, and there are already the batteries in there, so we can get them out of this little plate there very easily. Then we can already insert the new batteries. These are two CR2025, and last but not least, we simply push this plate back into the key. This is sometimes a bit difficult. I think it's best to do this with feeling and not with force. And then we have already changed the batteries in our Mercedes key. If this video could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. By the way, my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers on this channel, so if you want to support me, I would really appreciate if you were to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye.